What's up, folks? Mr. Spring here in prospecting. I've got gold. All right, we got some more gold. Yeah. All right, back at the house. Like to give a shout out to Doug Odette. He has 2 claims that he's working right now, and he's zeroing on the gold. So you guys should watch that and see what happens. And shout out to Mandy Brown. I don't think she puts out videos, but she's always nice and says, always comments and likes on videos. So we are grateful for people that support us. And Chef V, man, that guy gets gold and cooks good food. That's some skill. I wish I had that skill. Anyhow, let's see what I got today. Let's see. I didn't go out for a long time. I just went out for a little bit. And Got some color showing up there. A little bit more. Yeah, it's about what I expected. Not terrible. Now for a short day, I will be able to take a nap before I go to work today, so that's great. And you know, thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. And I hope you have a good day.